Xin chào, what's up everybody? All right, we are trying to get a boat ride tour at night. Now we were gonna do the sunset one, but then a guy that's been here for months advised me, he's like, hey look, you're gonna get some footage on the sunset, but it's just gonna be you and families and kids. If you wanna actually be on like a boat with people that are gonna actually drink and wanna party for like an hour, you wanna wait till like the 7:30 slot. And I was like, really? And as me and him went and looked at the other ones, what did we see? Just kids and wives and husbands.
Beautiful families having a great time.
Beautiful families.
Ready to be recorded.
Me and Chris are not a gay couple though, so this is not going to work well for us. We both have significant others. That maybe if we had those significant others with us, this would be a perfect cruise to take right now.
Yeah.
But since no, we want to collect the people. So here you go. Here's how it breaks down. $5 a person. And it goes pretty much till 7:30 is the last one of this one, which is, I think that's what we're aiming for, dude.
Yeah.
I know you're itching to stream or film a video, but
yeah, man, I just want to film a damn video, dude.
but like, look at that. What do you want to film, an empty boat?
Yeah, we can do whatever we want, bro. Like the little kids.
Sounds like riveting content between Chris Travels and Fat and Bro.
Yeah, you guys get to see the river.
Hey bro, like check this river out. There's 2 people here. Have fun. So yeah, we're gonna debate the politics behind it right now, and we'll see what we do. See you in a second. All right, so a part of this video, I don't know if this will be a part of it, Xin Chao, or not, but I'll show you kind of where to hang out like during the day if you're trying to party and not spend a lot of money. Especially if you've rented a decent hotel. And as you know, there's not going to be nearly as many people as there would be at a hostel. You just go to a hostel. They don't ask you shit, and you just pay for drinks there. You know, there's Mad Monkey over in BKK. Hasn't been very active. And then there's his hostel, which almost always has people, which is called Sanders. Wonders. There it is, the original one that they must be redoing right now to get back up. Oniders. The other one, main one's over here. So it looks like they're firing this one back up now. I didn't know there was 2. They always take me to this one because this one isn't on the map yet. So, and then right down here, there's 75-cent beers with the Boise's. Plenty of hot chicks that you'll not gonna see here.
Here's this one.
This man's eyes went bad all of a sudden, guys. All right, let's go.
What about crossing the street here? I don't think it's the same in Vietnam. People don't give you that leeway, I think.
No, they do. They actually stop for you. It's been really weird. I'm like, wow, this guy's stopping. He's not just going around me.
Right, I felt different.
So let me show you the 75-cent draft beer place first, in which most of these are down here. So you'll see just like a lot of expats, especially older guys, no offense to you guys, older guys, but that are just chilling at these 75-cent draft beer places. And I actually ate food here yesterday. It was really good.
It's fun to chill out.
It is. I would still prefer Anders, Durs, one Durs, one Derp.
It's a good spot, I gotta say. It's not bad. It has everything you need, especially for...
There's, for some reason, a knife shop here. Not that I would know what you would do with the knife, besides get yourself into most likely trouble. So yeah, I'll show you. Like, if you wanted to hang out at this hostel, you would just come in here. And you go up to the 4th floor where the pool is. What are you gonna do now? You gonna get your laptop back out?
I gotta go get my stuff done.
Well, just come up there and sit and do it on your laptop up there. You can't focus?
I can't. People are gonna drop their ears and shit on my stuff. I just can't do stuff. You know what I'm saying?
Sure. He's a pussy. Let's go, he's conserving money.
See what you got, Chris?
I don't have anything.
You're good game.
I'm a wholesomely married man. Hello.
How are you guys today?
Oh, fine, and you?
Good.
Very good.
Good. What's your name?
Sion, what's your name?
Christian.
Nice to meet you, Christian.
And you are?
Elsa.
Elsa.
What's your
I
name?
think I met you already, right? Chris? I don't know if we ever talked. You just borrowed my lighter a lot.
Yes. So where you guys from?
America. America.
Oh, that's nice.
Oh, you look like a Colombian guy.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Is that good or bad?
I think it's good.
As you want.
She gave me the look. She was like, I don't think that's a bad thing, sir.
See you later, bro.
All right, dude. And then you come up to like a rooftop bar like this, which as just demonstrated in the elevator, that easy. Easy peasy, 1, 2, 3. No big deal. Lots of boysies drinking out here. Shit like that. So I'll show you once I sit down with the boysies I've made friends with. So see you in a second. So then, boom, we have it. We're at like a rooftop right now. So like you can see there's like all the boysies hanging out, the ladies. So it's like a really good spot to just come and chill and hang out and meet people and then go out with. Like this guy drove us around on a tuk-tuk drunk as fuck one night. We went all over. Great times. You never know who you're gonna meet from what country in a hostel like this, especially in Cambodia. They usually don't always go this way all over the world, but here, since there's so many people coming so aggressively from so many different places, you can meet a collective group of people here doing this. So I figured I would show you. As the night progresses before we get on the boat, we've still got like 2 hours. I don't even know if Chris will make it with me onto the boat because he'll probably be like, I gotta do work or something. So, but I'm gonna definitely make it to the boat. It's $5, it's an hour, and it's got drinks, so. So, I was just here for like 3 hours. You know, Chris travels or whatever, does a bunch of editing, and I don't know, he needs to go MIA a lot, so like, I just hang out with Naomi and the other blokes from the tuk-tuk ride adventure, so. Now I haven't heard back from him, so I'm gonna go shoot the boat by myself, which is fine, because, you know, we're used to doing shit by ourselves here. We're big boys. So, yeah, if you want to have a good time and just hang out with people and have cheap beers, just come to like a fucking hostel like this. You're gonna be fine, you know? What's up, dude? I don't know, we're looking for the boat, but like, I still haven't been too tantalized by like the boat. Like the boat doesn't like yell at me, let's go to a boat. I think I'm gonna grab a beer and then we'll walk over to the boat. We'll see what it is. 7:30. So like the last one doesn't go till 8:30, so I'm shooting so much shit out of like direct context today, so we'll see. Alright. Let's try to get on a boat. I think there's one leaving now. Let's see. Oh my god, death stairs. Joey. Hello. A lot of stairs. Not bad going down. Playing some kind of copyright music. I don't know if this video will be particularly usable, but we'll throw it on the Patreons if it's super copyrighted. So either way, you'll be able to see the content. If you choose to be a patron or just a YouTube subscriber, you won't see it. Not many people though. Not many people on the boat. So it's like a typical like Viet music, traditional. And a lot of monks on here. And just a lot more people than what we saw earlier. So it was like the right idea to pick this place at night instead of like during the day. I'm told I have a free beer. Let's see how that rings true. I'm super tired still. I've just been going too hard in the paint every day, like working, filming, editing, doing my job essentially, and the batteries are worn down. So it's again going to be an early night. Like yesterday I went home at 10. Okay. Do you need this ticket? Okay. No. Okay. Come on. Where are we going to sit here? Not lots of seats left, so we're just going to have to take what we can get. It leaves in 10 minutes. It comes back. Hello. Hi. Some nice women's. Up for the hellos. Of course. So yeah, we're gonna see what happens. Like once it starts moving, we'll film it and I'll let you know how it is. Like for $5, probably can't go wrong, to be honest with you. Boat leaves at 8. There's actually a lot of people here. Like this boat's pretty full compared to like all the other ones I saw. Like I got these nice Khmer girls over here. They've been helping me out, like ordering food and stuff like this. They've been offering me food too. They're very nice girls. So people are very friendly here. As you know, most parts of Southeast Asia, you very rarely run into, you know, people that aren't happy and glad to, you know, talk to someone new in their life. So, yeah, once we do this boat tour, we'll get it cranking. I'll walk around. We'll do all the stuff. Hopefully it's good. I ordered 2 hot dogs with no bread or anything, just hot dogs. So they'll probably just come with like ketchup or something. But it fits my keto diet, so. They were trying to feed me sweet snacks and shit like this. Not what I really eat. So, once the thing kicks off, I'll see you. So, I thought I ordered like a hot dog, but it seems to be like a full Mai dog. Full Mai in here. Dip it in whatever this is. Not bad. Fresh cucumber off to the side. Cucumber adds a nice crunch. I can't explain that taste, but it's not bad. Not exactly what I would want, but once you put the cucumber in, that's not bad. It's like a sausage with cheese in the middle. Tastes better than Vietnamese sausage. The cucumber adds a nice touch. I'd go 6-1. Not bad for like some substance. Oh, not bad at all. I think the boat's leaving soon, guys. Turn the lights off. Cucumber and green onion is critical to their like food here too, which you can never go wrong with that. So for me, I'm good. Have the fresh cucumber with it, be alright. It cuts the grease down, and whatever sauce this is. Not quite like a ketchup sauce. Oh, the boat's moving. We're moving. We lost Chris Travels, but do we need him for content? No. Still can't figure out what kind of meat this is. Hot dog-ish. We've left the port. We're moving. So it left at 8:05 sharp. back in an hour. So we'll see what it is. I'm already super tired for sure. You know, when you film all day in the sun and you walk like 15, 20,000 steps. We walked 14,400 steps today. Not easy, guys. And then you're filming, you're doing dialogue. You need recovery and rest. So after this, I'm going directly to my hotel. I'm gonna take a nap. I'm gonna go to sleep. Try to wake up at like 7. Get like the editing done. Maybe even do a little bit of editing at night. The boat's cool. I cannot describe this snack food, but unlike anything I ever had in Vietnam. It's more cheesy, not as like in your face flavor. Oh, we're moving. We're on a boat. We're moving. Let's go. So as you can see, the boat is moving now. So let's wait till it gets out here in like the harbor and stuff, and then we'll film again. It's like literally 8 o'clock and I'm ready to hit the shower and the bed. So I'm just gonna power through this thing like I do. This is what I do even when I'm tired. So that's all I ate today. Plus like a little Caesar salad at like 5. Probably under around 600 calorie a day. Oh, see, this one's got nobody. There's nobody up here. Paris too, got no one. This whole place, you got people everywhere, you know. Every seat is filled on the top here, except these middle ones. So yeah, we'll see what it's like once we get out there, guys. Ahoy, mate. Immediately as you get on the river, you get like a really nice breeze. Like, we were pretty hot sitting there, but like the second we hit the river, and this is not the Mekong, these are 2 rivers that join each other and eventually become the Mekong. I was corrected many times, so sorry, but this is the other river. One flows up, one flows down, and they eventually meet. But it's so much more enjoyable, like climate-wise. You actually have a breeze like hitting you consistently, which is very convertible. And then let's take a look at Phnom Penh as we go through the nighttime here. I don't think any audio is needed, just, you know, soak it in. Supposedly this thing just goes up to where the 2 rivers meet. Once they meet, comes back, parks at the same spot. Maybe I won't be as tired when we get back, but I doubt it. I'm fatigued. Vina House. So Vina House must be popular here too. Let's call it Southeast Asia House. Same kind of like drum beat. We got extreme winds picking up. Just lost my my hot dog dish. We'll put it over here. Okay. Secured the hot dog dish. Worry not, everyone. Good change of music. I would say the cruise thing's a must do. This is pretty fun. It's really chill. You know, if you had a long day and you want to unwind. The one I picked is full all Cambodian. There's not one other foreigner. Oh, the speaker's blowing. This ain't bad at all. This is super comfortable, super chill. The temperature has dropped like a good 10 Celsius from the breeze. We were sweating up a storm at dock. So we're at the riverside right now. We're just taking like a view of the riverside. There's some bar up there that looks pretty hot. Yeah, the time has come to move. So tomorrow we move. We go to the party island. I'm there for the weekend. I don't know what Chris Travel's going to do. I'm not too worried about like connecting with what he's going to do. He's kind of on a different time schedule than I am. So I'm going to do 2 days there, and then I'm going to go to Siem Reap, do a day there, and then I think I'm going to hot foot it back to Phnom Penh and take my flight back home to Vietnam. We did what we needed to do here. All right, we're back. So yeah, the plan is to leave, go to the islands, come back here, stay here for a day, and then hot foot it back to Nam, save up money, and then go over to the Philippines. Once the Philippines is done, go back to Nam and probably stay in Vietnam for like 2 or 3 months and like build money. The hope from all this is, you know, we get new subscribers, we get more money coming through. This stuff has to have a good ROI. Many times I tried to win. Many times defeated. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. The kind Khmer girl took care of my trash. He was right, it just takes you out and back in. We've just traversed all the riverside. We're almost at the end of riverside. I wonder how many copyrights we'll have. We're gonna try Boise's. my time in Phnom Penh is over, so I'm off to the islands tomorrow. We'll check out the islands. After the islands, we'll go to Siem Reap just for a day, and then back to Phnom Penh and PCR test back home. I'm like a 1 week vacation guy, 1.5 weeks, and I want to be back home. I want to recharge batteries, all this type of shit. Oh, the wind is no joke right now, but it feels so nice. It's a complete cool down. Should feel them in the heart. On the way back into the harbor. So it actually gets quite beautiful out here. As we're opening into like the Mekong meets the other river, it looks like you're in an ocean. It's absolutely gigantic, guys. Hopefully I can just put this video up raw because it's really cool, man. The Khmer women next to me are so nice. Both of them have been very nice the whole way. If I need any kind of help, she's very easy to help. now we're making the circle. So they're doing the U-turn, and then they're gonna head back the other way. Take us back into. It's almost all Cambodian people here. There's no other tourists here, but I chose like the Cambodian after work. Like I'm gonna hang out with my friends. Hello. So how many times have you ridden the boat? Do you ride the boat often? Do you come ride the boat often? She's like, my English shit. It's okay. I was trying to ask her how many times she ride the boat. I imagine they do it after work though. 3 times. Oh, you do know what I'm saying. Charlie.
I had to think.
You have to think for a second. Okay. So why did you decide to do it today? So she was bored today, so she was like, let's go on the boat. We had a breeze coming out. Now that we're doing the U-turn, there's no more like ocean breeze. There's a lot of monks out here. I don't know why so many monks are on here. Well, maybe monks like to have fun too. Can't blame them. Now we're back in the head of the breeze. Like we've got a nice wind coming in, like cooling you down. Couldn't ask for anything better right now. I think this is Diamond Island? I don't know which island this is, but oh no, we're going back around, so it's the same ship we saw. But these girls were so nice. She offered me everything she bought food-wise. Like, there was never it's our food, like very, very kind. So you'll have a very good time in Cambodia if you come here. Just smile a lot and you'll get a lot of places. So it's a fair handshake. Like we're 30 minutes in and we're roundabout. It took us 30 minutes to get out. You don't need that much more on like a boat like this. This is adequate findings. I've completely cooled down. It was super hot here today. It was like 34, 36 all day long. No wind, no breeze, slight humidity. It was not an easy going, and I'm really used to this weather. I've been here, in Southeast Asia 3 years, and it was still how can you say, a challenge. So things I've noticed is the culture isn't as heavy on smoking and drinking as Vietnamese guys are. So quite a big difference there. Like, a lot of guys are just drinking like fruit punch, water. You know, if we were in Vietnam, this would all be tiger, yo. This is not the prevalent thing here, and I've noted this every time I go out. Like, you know, you find some local guys drinking beers at noon, but like, it's not like Vietnam. All right, let me do my just dues, and let me show you around the boat. These were the Khmer girls that were very nice to me and offered to buy me food. She's very nice. Let me show you the rest. So as you can see, it's like just like levels of like people just hanging out, like doing their thing. Hello, 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 hello. Everybody's very nice here. Oh, this guy's drinking. He's cranking beers like I am. Let's go, baby. More guys over here. But like a lot of people are just drinking water and like not really getting fucked up and shit, you know? So like big difference. But the breeze is so nice. It's a lot nicer than Vietnam. Hello. Hey. Huh. Oh, the breeze is so good, dude. It's so cooling off. Jolly. Oh, I needed this. This is like, I was actually super out of energy before this, and now like battery's kind of recharged. So, again, not to take away from the beautiful views, so let's just put you back on the water. I'm just gonna call this unedited river tour type deal. Oh, I see how you're heading back in. It's a pretty big U-turn. The U-turn took 5 minutes in itself, maybe 7. I mean, you only need 1 beer for this thing, unless you're like trying to get smashed. I'm good. I still have half my beer. I've been on this thing for like 45 minutes now. My watch just told me I hit my 900 cal loss for the day goal. Had a hot dog with cheese and a small Caesar salad. That was my meal for the day. The Caesar salad was pretty good. It had grilled chicken, some bacon, a little bit of cheese, of course some Caesar dressing, some fresh tomato, a lot of green peppers and red peppers. It was good. Lots of healthy vegetables, lots of healthy lean protein. Wow, whatever this place is, there's like only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 people at it right now. Currently. That's shooting for the fence right there, huh? So I think this is Silk Island what we're looking at right now. This is across the way from the riverside. So we're seeing the other side of the riverside, from what I know of being here. My guess. Not just me and one other guy having a beer. Not much beer drinking going on here. Yeah, I'm ready for a shower, for a bed, for a laptop. Plans to go hard this weekend. And then pretty much call it quits on Cambo, dude. Cambo was great. We saw what we needed. I showed you it's open. I showed you it's free. I showed you can do whatever you want. I showed you masks aren't a big deal. You know, I've armed you with the knowledge of should you wait at Cambodia to open for Vietnam? Should you choose Cambodia over Thailand? There's still people trying to fight me that like Thailand's better. Sorry guys, Thailand isn't this open. You can't do whatever you want till 4 a.m. in Thailand in most areas. Sure, there's some areas, but it's a completely wide open book here. You know, there's no regulation. You just need your vaccine, your PCR test, you get on the plane. And with the PCR test, since it's way more accurate than a rapid, the likelihood of someone testing negative or positive on the plane trip very low. And even so, if they do, they let you go to your hotel of choice and stay there for the amount of time, which is going to be the regular thing at any country when you travel. So until there's no testing whatsoever, no country's perfect. And that's just the way it is. I'm still choosing Cambodia over Thailand, over almost anything if I'm trying to come into, you know, anywhere else in Southeast Asia anytime soon, or Asia for that matter. If I'm buying time for Korea or Japan or, you know, kind of anywhere, it's going to probably be in Cambodia. So that was the night cruise. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I actually had a really lovely time here. You know, I couldn't think these Chimera chicks were awesome. Both super nice. Like, offer me their food, offer me to sit with them, eat with them. Just nothing but good things to say. Very much like the feeling you would get in Vietnam if you were doing this type of thing. So, all right, guys, where are we at? 20 minutes. Stay frosty. See you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace out.